Welcome. In this video I will tell you about 10 hidden features you didn't know about on your HUAWEI Watch Ultimate 2. And the first one is the WaterDrain feature, which you can easily access from the control center. If you swipe a little bit to the top, you'll find this drop icon, which will automatically drain water from your watch, and you can help it drain the water out by shaking your watch in the process. Did you know that your device has a compass? Well, it's not a rare feature for such watches, but in the app menu you can actually find some compass in case you need it, where you can find the all the sides of the world, and it works very well if you rotate the watch. As you can see, it's very good at checking the north and other sides of the world. Now, the next thing I wanted to tell you about is the watch controller for music, not only for the native application, which is available in the apps menu right from the start. Right here we have its music. If you have some music saved on your phone, you can basically navigate in it. You can change the music volume using the digital crown. You can navigate forward to the next, skip to the next track, to the previous one. You can download it, you can repeat it, play or pause, and that's also very cool. And did you know that you can customize the actions on all of your buttons on the watch? If you press the apps menu watch, and then go to settings, then in settings select button settings, you can adjust the gestures for each button you have on your device. For example, press bottom right button will enable shortcuts. And you see we can change the upper left button function. By default it's expedition, but we can change it to other things like golf, dives, workout types, flashlight, and other kinds of things. Besides, did you know how to use flashlight on your device? Swipe down from the watch face, tap on the flashlight, and now in order to increase the brightness, you just have to scroll the digital crown. This way you can increase and decrease it, and you can also adjust the color. If you swipe from the bottom to the top of the screen, here you can change the color to, for example, red one or any other that you like, and also adjust its intensity. And you can also enable slow or fast flashes if you wish. You can also reset settings. And to close it, well, basically just a swipe from the side, from the left side to the right. Now, besides, did you know how many custom controls or customization options you have for your workouts? If you go to the apps menu and select workout, you can adjust basically any workout you have here in a very specific way. So for example, if you select trail run, you can set some custom goals for you. You can enable or disable metronome. You can change the data display and change the custom data display settings. You can also choose what you want to show here, like compass, coordinates, intensities, training stress, and many different things. And it's not all. You can also adjust splits, battery performance. Of course, you can pin this any workout to the top to have fast access to it. And what's even cooler is the automatic workout detection, which you can find in this menu. If you scroll down to workout settings and go right here and select auto detect workouts and switch it to the right, and this way your watch will automatically detect workouts, so you don't even have to add favorites to your workouts list. Did you know that divers using this watch can actually communicate with each other underwater? If you open the dive application and open dive comms, you can actually connect to another diver using the exact same model, so the Ultimate Watch 2, and you can navigate with you can basically communicate with each other in the 30-meter range using quick messages. And the technology used for that is this sonar technology, since LTE doesn't work underwater, but it's a really cool feature. I know that it's not for everyone, but still, admit that it's pretty cool. And did you know that you can easily spot any available, for example, restaurant or some public place on your watch, but just by opening the Maps menu? And in the Maps menu, you will be able to find some nearby places like bus stations, cafes, restaurants, shops. Just tap on one of these options, and you will see the list with the places that you can visit with the distance from you, which is awesome. I really like this one, and also this feature, the bubbles feature, I suppose it's like an anti-stress application. It's not many people talk about it, but basically what you have to do is press the side button on your watch, and the bubbles will pop up on your screen. So if you're bored, you can use this application from time to time. That's really cool. And did you know that you can use a remote shutter on your watch? By going to Apps menu, then you have to open the camera application on your phone, and then you can take photos with your phone using your shutter on the watch. Well, this feature is not as well integrated as the Apple Watch remote shutter, but still, it's pretty cool, right? And the last feature I wanted to tell you about is the custom themes for your device, which are also available in settings. If you go to the themes menu, you can actually choose from one of the 3 available themes, and each of them can be customized with a personalized watch face with 2 modes for day and night. So you just have to tap apply theme, and your watch will change its appearance to a completely different one. And so that's all the features I wanted to tell you about. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.